I had to move that crimper, y'all. It was gonna fall on my leg, and y'all, I ain't got no pants on. I just came down here with just bare skin. So y'all, first I'm going in with this Wet n Wild pencil. I do not use this pencil, y'all, but once I started doing my makeup, I realized that I didn't get another one of the pencils that I usually use. Look at my face, I'm dead. I usually use the Revlon Color Stay Brow. I needed to get another one, but I had already started the video. So I had to just use anything that I can find, and I'm using the Color Stay Brow little brush right there, and that's what it looks like. But I just had to do what I had to do, okay? So after I'm done filling in my brows, I go in with my Milani concealer. This is in the color 160. I just go in and conceal my brows, try to make them look more defined, and then I do pull that concealer all the way down to my eyelid so I can have a base for when I do my eyeshadow. I also really love this concealer. I like the way that it goes on to my skin. It doesn't dry as fast as most concealers. I used to use Tarte, but after I discovered Milani, I never went back. Like, I threw all of my Tarte concealers away. So if you haven't tried Milani, you should try it. And then I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques brush. This is the brush in 421. It's kind of flat on the bottom and then kind of fluffy at the top. Y'all can kind of see how it's shaped. I really like this brush. It gets in all the corners and everything I needed to get into, and it really blends out the makeup really well. After that, I'm going in with my Milk of Magnesia. This is like a little makeup pack. It's for dry, oily skin. I personally like to use it because I just feel like it makes my makeup stay on just a little longer than it usually would. And while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. I'm using my Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and I'm using that brown color that I pointed to. I really like this color. It's natural. I used to never do eyeshadow, but then as I would get my makeup done, they always did like a neutral color, and I started to fall in love. So I started doing eyeshadow, and I really like it. I don't think I'll ever not do eyeshadows. I really do like how the colors in this palette really do come through. Like that neutral brown, you cannot go wrong with. So next I'm using my e.l.f. liner. I really like to line my eyes because it just makes the lashes look more bolder. Without the liner, I feel like you can't really see my lashes like I want them to be seen. I don't know, y'all. I've always done this. I think I've even done this when I was in high school. Just put on eyeliner because it just makes your eyes pop a little more. So if you don't put eyeliner on before you put your lashes on, I think you should really try it. It just brings, it just brings out the eyes a little more. So then I'm going in with my NARS. I use those two colors. I have said so many good things about NARS. I just love their foundation. You don't even have to use a lot, and it just goes on your skin so smoothly. It dries on the face perfect. I just really love NARS. And I have to mix two colors together because my skin is just a very weird tone. And when I got my makeup done, she would mix the two. So I just was like, girl, what are you using? And I went to go buy it the same day. And the brush I'm using is from Real Techniques as well, and it is number 241. Now for my concealer, I'm going back to the Milani concealer in 160, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes. And then I do go in with Milani as well in the color 145, and I put that closer to right under my eyes. I put that there to go for a highlighted under eye look, but not too bright. That's why I kind of mixed them there because I don't like to look too light under the eyes, but that highlight under eye, it really do be given. Then I go in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Someone asked me, do I wet it? Yes, I do. It's damp. It's not like drenching wet. It's just a little damp so it can smooth out everything. When I tried doing it dry, it was a complete mess. So you can use water, or you can even spray some setting spray on it and it'll do what it needs to do. After that, for contour, I use the Full Cover Concealer by Kiss in 425. I just love using this for the contour, y'all. It's just the perfect shade and it's liquid. And I think I like the liquid because I can move it better. Y'all will see how it blends in. I just love the way that it blends with the makeup. It really does give a flawless finish. So this brush doesn't have a brand or anything on it, but it is slanted. It should just be called a contour brush because they do have contour brushes, and I think that's what it is. I'm not sure why it has nothing on the brush, but yeah. If you look up contour brush, you probably could find some. But do y'all see how this is going on my face? Like the contour, it's given, baby. And then I go in with my beauty blender sometimes, or a brush, and just blend out my makeup. Makeup is all about blending, so all you gotta do is just blend, blend, blend until it's how you like it. And to blend out that nose contour, I'm using a brush from the James Charles brush kit that he had. It's also like the contour brush, so it has a slant. It's just smaller, and I like to use a small brush so I can really, really define the nose how I like it. For setting powder, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in Deep Peach. I absolutely love this powder, y'all, because it just melts on my skin perfectly. This is a great setting powder, especially for brown tones. And I just go in with that everywhere that I put the concealer. Next, I'm going in with my Morphe bronzer in Trailblazer to just go over those places that I contoured, just to bring it out a little bit. I bronze all over my face to just, again, blend out everything. Make sure there's nothing too light, nothing too dark. Just make everything look good. Next, I'm using another one of James Charles brushes. It's really, really flat. And then I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Black Pomade. And I just go and do my waterline. I feel like doing this also makes your eyes pop as well. After that, I'm using my telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. And I'm just going to put mascara on my lashes. Next, I'm using my James Charles palette in those two colors for the blush. A makeup artist also taught me this. I was wondering what she used for my blush because sometimes I had a hard time finding blush. It was either too pink or too dark, and she had the perfect one and she mixed the two. You definitely do not need to go buy this big old palette just to be using two colors. Cause no, I just wanted everything that she had, so I went to go buy everything, y'all. And I'm using my Warriors palette again for the highlights. I love this palette. The highlight is super pretty on my skin, and I just put that on my cheeks and my nose and under my eyebrows. The lashes I'm putting on are from my boutique. This is Style Extra. Make sure you shop with your girl. Okay, and now for the liner, I am using Juvia's Place liner in Cola. Y'all, I wear this liner all the time, so it finally just broke off on me. I had to go real slow because I went ahead and put that little piece right back in there. So I had to go real slow, y'all, so I would not break this because I did not have another one. But trust, right after this video, I'm going to go buy me another eyebrow pencil and another liner because, baby, I didn't know what I was going to do. For the base, I've been using my matte lipstick from MAC in the color Velvet Teddy. And then over that, I'm using e.l.f. Lip Pumping Gloss, and this is in the color Pink Cosmo. And this lip combo is everything. This is like my everyday. I might try something new, but for now, y'all, this is it. Period. See how it all just came together? Wait, I got a spray. I usually use the Morphe setting spray, the mattifying one. But when this get low, even for the black one, it starts to turn white on your face. Because I don't know, I guess it's just towards the end you start to get white little speckles on your face and everything, and I'm not dealing with that today, so I'm just going to use my matte finish NYX just for today. So I'm just going to let that dry, and then I'm going to clean up all of this mess right here. This whole room in here is a mess, y'all. I'm just going to clean up this area, and then I need to turn on this crimper. I'm going to be doing crimps in my hair. This is the Ion Crimper from Sally's Beauty. Love, 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 love. Oh, so actually for my crimps to be wrapped up in that bonnet, just me taking them down, they look good still. Like, look at this, y'all. Y'all just seen it in a bonnet, and look at these crimps. This crimper is the truth. I'm still gonna re-crimp it a little bit so it can be a little more fresh, because it's kind of like bendy right here in the front, but otherwise I kind of like it. So I'm not gonna do too much with the crimp. And I also have the bedhead one, the bedhead crimper, but it's just so big and bulky, y'all. Like, I feel like I can't even grab the hair because it's just so chunky and big, and then I'm burning my face because it's in the way. I'm gonna show y'all. One second, let me get done with this one, and I'm gonna show y'all what I mean about that bedhead crimper. Like, it's just, it do the most. Come on, y'all, look at the difference. Y'all see the difference. Just look how it don't, first of all, I'm not finna break my hand trying to press it so hard. It's just so fat. It just doesn't give me what I just needed to give. So I just don't even worry about that one no more. We're just gonna leave that one alone.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple rights, watch his ass get bigger. Drinking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass coat. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes.
Oh! I had to move that crimper, y'all. It was gonna fall on my leg, and y'all, I ain't got no pants on. I just came down here with just bare skin. It's time for me to get ready now, y'all. I'm about to go get my outfit. I'm going ice skating, so I'm not gonna wear anything like real dressy, real tight. Like, it's not that type of show. So for my outfit, I have these joggers. I just love the neutral colors it has with it. And then it also came with the hoodie to match. Isn't it so cute, y'all? Actually got it from the shoe store in the mall. I'm not sure which store that was. This is the brand, I'm guessing. So if you look this up, you should be able to find it on Google. I got a small medium in the top, and then I got a medium in the pants. So I'm gonna throw these on right quick. It's so freaking cute, y'all. Like, look how it's hugging the body. Y'all can't really see. I can't with this camera, y'all. Okay, see how it's just hugging the body? I just really love how this fit. Like, the nudes are really giving. For my bag, I'm gonna switch to this tan Prada purse. You know, for the shoes, I don't know. I don't really have like any shoes to like really match with this, but I was thinking my white Air Force Ones or my little Shane Justin platform shoes. I might just stick with the Yeezy foams, and that's what I think I'm going for, because I want to be comfortable. And really, y'all, it's time to go. The perfume that I just put on is this Ebony Wood from Zara. Yeah, I have been like kind of in love with this. And then I'm not wearing any jewelry today. I'm just gonna keep it real simple. But that's it, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video.